Hi there, my name is Brianna and I'm a stylist with Mobile Styles. Today I'm just going to show you how to do a quick, easy technique for a little bit more volume without using any products or very minimal product. My hair is already 90% dry because it's been sitting for about an hour, which most of the time when you blow dry your hair, you want to have it at least like 80% to 90% already like air dry to prevent heat damage, and it's just best to kind of give it a little bit more air dry before using heat on it. So I'm going to use a spray on my hair just to give it a little bit more shine. This is optional. This is kind of heavy, so you don't really need that much. So just take the glue and you want to apply the heat at the root. And you want to do it in the opposite direction. That gives it more volume. And you want to apply tension. Not too much, but a good amount. Then you could just go through. This is on medium to low heat to prevent as much heat damage as possible. You can even use the cool setting to dry your hair. It also helps to set the style when you use the cool setting. So now for the blowout, you can use a round brush. I have bangs. And just pull it all forward. That gives it more volume too when you pull everything forward. I'm gonna pull everything up to a 90-degree angle. That's to maximize the volume. You need all that lift. Kind of like the final look. It's got body, got some height, no product except for a little bit of shine spray, and that's it. It literally took me like less than 10 minutes to do this. And then you could always use a can of spray, like if you're using hairspray to try to tame any flyaways. You can add root lift spray if you want, a tassel spray, dry shampoo, paste. could use mousse. But that's it. Thank you for watching.